Hello, good morning, guys. We are still on the chapter number 1, but we are on the exercise 1.3. For the exercise 1.3, we have to take care of nearest number. What is nearest number or what is nearest round off? Let's see. If I have a number and our instruction is question like that, write nearest or round of tens, write nearest tens. Then we can see here a number given 2457. This is the number. Now all the numbers are made from the 10 digit. Which one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All the number are made from all these digit. I have divided this 10 digit in two parts. First 0 to 4. This is the first part, and 5 to 9. This is the second part. Now your question is nearest tens, so you have to put here in your answer first of all 10 means 0. Is that clear to everyone? What? How many zeros are in the 10? Only one zero. So you have to write 0. Now what you have to do? Now see in the what is in your tens place. Here 5 is in your tens place. So don't do anything to 5. But before doing anything, you have to see very next to the 5. What is the number after 5? 7. 7 is in which part? 7 is in the second part. In which part? Second part. If very next number to the tens is given in the second part, then we have to add 1, only 1, means add 1 to 5. What will come? 6. So you have to write 6, then rest of the amount will be as it is. So your answer will be 2460. Is that clear to everyone? Now let's see. Now suppose your question like this. Write the nearest or round of nearest hundreds. Now see how many zeros are in the 100. I am taking again above example 2457. Okay, how many zeros are there in? 2 zeros. So you have to write 2 zeros first of all. Then nearest 100 means we have to see 100 place value. Is that clear to everyone? Very next number is 5. In which part it is? Second part. Then what we have to do? Add 1. So add 4 to 1 means 4 plus 1 what? Can 5. So here your answer 5, and rest of part is as it is. Is that clear to everyone? Only change that particular number and write the 0 instead of last 2 digits. Is that clear? Now I am taking nearest to 100. Question number 3. Write nearest 1000. Sorry, not nearest to 100, nearest to 1000. So what will be your answer? See, it is interesting. It may be different than above 2 questions. Same example I am taking here. Now 2457. Nearest 1000 means we have to put how many zeros? 3 zeros. So your answer with 3 zeros, 1, 2 and 3. Is that clear to everyone? Now instead of 2, because nearest 1000 means what, place value of the 1000, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Here 2 is the 2 is at the 1000 place. So here we have to take care of 2. Now see the next, very next to the 2. What is 4? 4 is came in the first part. If anyone came from the first part of this, then we have to put that particular number as it is. Means write 2 here. What will be the answer? 2000. Is that clear? If any number will come from first part, then we have to write the number as it is, which is given in your question. No change in it. But if it is given from the second part, then you have to add 1 to particular number, means at the place value. Here I have add 1 to the 5 because very next is 7 and 7 is came from second part. Here I added 1 to the 4 because after 4 here given 5 and 5 is came from second part. But no change in 2 because 2 is after 2, here 4 is given and 4 is came in the first part of the numbers. Is that clear to everyone? This is your explanation of the exercise 1.3. Now you can do some sum like this kind of question. I am explaining one more question to you. Suppose add the numbers as per nearest 100. Hundreds. And number is given like this 3 number. Here first we have to add, and second question for us nearest to 100. Okay, then what will we do? We have to first make this all number as per the nearest 100. So 2457. What is it nearest to the 100? We have to write first of all 2 zeros, then C very next to the 100 place. What? 5. So we have to add 1 to the 4, means 5. Here our answer will be 2500. Now for this 342, add 2 zeros instead of 42. What is very next to the 304? So here we have to take 3 as it is, no change in 3. Now add 2 zeros. What after 9? 6. See here, what after 9? 6. So we have to add 1 to the 9. So I will add 1 to the 9 means 10. So here your answer will be 1000. So now add all these numbers. First of all 2500, 300 and 1000. This is your answer as per the nearest 100. Is that clear to everyone? Now you can write the answer from your exercise 1.3. Use all this method which I have already explained you. Is that clear to everyone? Now do from yourself.